Number 3, you will feel lost. In relation to number 1 na dahil nga madami ka ng oras, mafe-feel mo talaga na saan na ba ako patungo. Most of your life, you've been working under a structure of the educational system. Ngayon, you only have yourself. Kasi syempre, kahit anong sabihin ng ibang tao, at the end of the day, you will seek for conviction na alam mo talaga na ito yung gusto mong gawin at ito yung mga gagawin mo para sa sarili mo. It's not just a negative thing. Feeling lost is also a sign that you're in a place that you've never been in before. So once you learn how to navigate that, growth yung magiging result nun. One of the things that helped me back then was to also just rest in lostness. Iba rin yung nag-wander around ka lang, naglalakad-lakad ka lang, tapos nag-decide kang umupo sa bench kasi napagod ka na, pero di ka nagpapanik. Number 4, judgment. Even though we are concerningly many, unfortunately, people still judge you. Lalo na whenever you interact with people, hindi talaga may iwasan na tanungin kung ano nga bang ginagawa mo. Nasanay na lang din ako na alam ko naman na hindi lahat ng mga nanjudge sa akin, alam talaga 100% yung mga pinagdadaanan ko. They don't have enough information to fully form that judgment. So that judgment is only based on what they perceived, which is not your reality. Marami pa to actually, pero ito yung 4 na napag-isip-isip talaga ako sa buhay. It may or may not be the same for you, but I do hope that you always choose yourself and galingan mo lang palagi mabuhay.